All right, let's do now question 9 November 2021. It was a probability question and it was given by a contingency table. If you don't know a contingency table, please make sure that you watch a lesson on the probability where we did a lot of analyzing when it comes to contingency table, but I will explain as we move along. Okay, let's read the question now. A sports director at a school analyzes the data to determine how many learners play sports, okay, and what gender each learner is. The data is represented by the table below. Okay, what we have here, we've got males that are 51 and do not play sports, and those that play sports is 69, and therefore the total males is 120. We've got females that don't play sports, and then if you add them to the males, the total number of people that don't play sports is 100. So these ones that don't play sports at all, therefore those that play sports are total 130. There's a total number of females here is going to be 116. Or at the end, the total number of these people there that are male and female playing sports and do not play sports is 236. All right, so now coming here, let's come back. Question 9.1 says determine the probability that the probability that a learner selected at random is a male. All right, so what is the total number of male? We just did it there. It's 120 out of the total probability, so we don't care regardless of which sports are they playing. So it's 0.51. Okay, 0.51 is the probability that this person chosen at random Elena would therefore be a male. Okay, Elena will be a female and plays sport. Okay, well, there's a female here, female. So let's see which ones are playing sport. There they are. So this is female, but they are also playing sports. Okay, so now you're gonna come here and say the probability that this person is a female and therefore they play sports as well is going to be given by that number there, 67, divided by the total of 236, which gives us an answer of 0.28. All right, 9.2, it says that there are the events male and does not play sport mutually exclusive event. So mutually exclusive events, these are events that can occur independently out of each other. So it means the other one does not affect the other one. All right, so now let's come here and say the probability of, this is 9.2, probability of that a person is a male and does not play sport. Are they independent or dependent? Okay, so this is a male here and does not play sport, so we've got 51 of them all over 236, which is going to give us an answer of 0.22. all right, so this probability does exist, therefore these events, they are not mutually exclusive. All right, I think I did explain this nicely and further more into detail on our video on probability. Please go ahead and have a look at that one. It's right here in grade 11, and also I also posted the same video for grade 12. All right, great stuff. So 9.3 says that an event that a male and does not play sports. Okay, independent events. We need to show all our calculations. We know that independent events, it's normally given by the probability of A and B should be equals to probability of A multiplied by probability of B. So therefore, if the left hand side is equal to the right hand side, therefore this should be, therefore the event should therefore be independent. All right, so now let's come here and say it's going to be the probability of male and does not play sport. Okay, let's find out here probability of male. So it's going to be the probability of male and the probability of not playing sports. Okay, so therefore this would be equal to what is male here? What is male? Male, it's how many males are there? There they are, 120. So it's going to be 120 divided by 236 multiplied by not playing sports, total number of people not playing sport is 100. It's going to be 100 divided by 236, which is going to give us 0.22. So if you take this 0.22, it is therefore equal to this 0.22 here. Therefore this event is an independent event, because the left hand side is equals to the right hand side. Okay, so therefore this would therefore be an independent event. All right, this would be an independent event, guys. If you've got any questions, please leave them on the comment section below, and then I will definitely assist you where I can, or reach out on me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is on the description of this video, or you can check the description of this channel, or check me out on TikTok. You will find my numbers there as well. I am Gaston Mapala. See you on the next upload, where we'll be doing question 9 November 2020.